So this is all the plants that I pulled out of the garden beds, and that's here. So you can see let me start from the first thing that we did was move that maple tree, and maple tree is in. That was really hard. So I did cut off some of the roots and it did get damaged. I just hope it's not too bad and it recovers once spring starts. But I've cleaned all the. Oh, my tree fell down. Oh, this wind. So I bought this tree. Yeah, it's very windy. I have to take it away until I'm ready. Oh, that's it. Cupressus greenstead. So it is grafted and it's so pretty. Let me just move it now before it falls again. Right, that's gonna stand there, but I am not putting that in the ground. I'm gonna find a nice pot for it and keep it here in the front. So I've removed that maple, and you can see I've mounded in all the sand. All the sand's been filled in, and I've made the raised garden beds. You can see how much I've raised it, and I've put in some rock around it to hold the soil, but that's not gonna hold the soil in place. Just done a little bit there. In this corner, I'm going to be planting all my euphorbia here. And now that maple is looking lovely on its own there. And there's another garden bed in the center of these two trees. So that's the guava that was there, and the little peach tree with all its branches sticking out. So yeah, I'm gonna plant succulents there, and this is the other raised portion at the front. So let me go right back. So you can see all the rocks have shoved against the mounds, and today is the exciting day. um, I'm going to be planting, so that's as exciting as it is. I'm just feeling a bit overwhelmed because I'm wondering what should I plant where. I've got so much of plants, but I need to set them properly. Then I guess with planting you just gotta do, you know, just gotta let it come to you. Well, we are expecting lots of rain, so I've bought rock that I need to dress, top dressing for the plants. So that's today's job. Plant up all these beds and fill in the rock because we are expecting rain for the next 6 days, and all the soil, all my hard work of 1 cubic meter of soil, I don't want it all getting washed away, especially after all that manual labor of shoveling the soil and putting it in there. So I will I'll start planting later. We've had a very busy morning doing stuff, and I bought the rock, but house chores, I've got to do that first, and then I will bring you along for the planting. So let's just do one last pan of this yard. Right, the sun is out, so you can't really see the full effect with the shadow, but later on I'll do a recording again, and then I'll do each bed and then I'll record it. Catch you later.